Welcome to Block 7. In this video, we will explore Casa El Nido, a project designed by Architecture Style Workshop in Mérida, Mexico. Covering an area of 144 square meters, this house embraces the concept of a simple yet spatially rich refuge, inspired by the philosophy of a bird's nest. A cozy space built with simple elements. This house is situated on a 4.70 by 26 meter plot, connecting the existing structure with the new one through an empty space that acts as an architectural suture. This concept allows the new building to become the primary protective element for its inhabitants. The pre-existing section of the house has been preserved with its original character, featuring clay flooring, stucco-coated and painted walls, exposed natural stone, and a metal structure on the ceiling. This area serves as the main entrance, guiding residents toward the transition space before entering the new structure. The transition space is an open area that highlights the contrast between old and new elements. It features a small pool and an open courtyard dominated by stone elements on the floor and walls, creating a natural balance within the design. The main building consists of 2 floors with a double-height dining room, kitchen area, and a bedroom with a bathroom and interior garden on the ground floor. The upper floor houses a study and an additional bedroom with a private bathroom. The layout follows a principle of separating public spaces at the front of the house from private areas at the rear. The structure of the house is formed by 2 primary load-bearing walls supporting a slab, creating a large volume that accommodates 2 floors thanks to the mezzanine. Its closed-off design at both ends ensures privacy while supporting various daily activities within. The primary materials used include burnished gray cement for the walls and ceilings, polished white cement flooring on the ground floor, and bamboo flooring for the upper level. A vertical circulation cube functions as the main access point, separating the public and private areas while leading to the rooftop, which serves as a relaxation space with a city view shaded by a tree. With a simple yet spatially rich design approach, Casa El Nido offers a unique living experience, seamlessly blending tradition and modernity into a harmonious whole. This house is an excellent example of how architecture can create spaces that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and comfortable. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration on Bloke 7. See you in the next video.